What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play 734 by Juice WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll uppercut your throat into the atmosphere. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got one riff that just repeats throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description, as well as the free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Once you get done with this video, jump into the video description. Both of those will be there for you. You're gonna start with this is a D minor 7. So you're gonna put your index finger on the 5th fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 6th fret of the B string, and you're picking what I'm doing there is I'm adding my pinky finger on the 8th fret of the B string at the very end. So it's A, D, B, D, B, A, D, B, D, B on 8. Then we're gonna go to this version of a C bar chord. It's index finger 3rd fret on the A string, and then your ring finger is going to bar the D, the G, and the B string all on the 5th fret. And you're picking the same strings, except in the very end you're hammering on to the 6th fret on the B. So with your pinky there. Then we're gonna go to a B flat bar chord, which is the same exact formation. You're just moving it down to the 1st fret. So your ring finger is barring D, G, and B on the 3rd fret, and your index finger is on the 1st fret of the A. Pick the same exact strings. Nothing fancy there. And then slide it back to the C. And then it all starts over. So from the very top slowly, it looks like. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.